Okay, so here's the painting, day 5 painting dry, and I like it. And believe it or not, I'm just now learning that red and black makes purple, because this is the second painting I've done where I got in purple when I mix red and black. All right, let's get into day 6. Welcome to day 6 of 30 paintings in 30 days. So as you can see, I have a new tool that I'm going to be using today. I picked this HairStopper up from the grocery store. So let's see what cool design we'll get into. So we're using the Nick Pro paints again, and I'm going to be using orange, blue, and green. I mixed these paints with Floetrol. And then I started off with some metallic paint that I had already pre-mixed. So that was a metallic white mixed with Floetrol. So we're going to start off with a dirty cup. I'm adding the green and the orange and the blue into one cup. And I'm going to pour this around the edges of that strainer. That cup is so pretty and spring-like. Now we're going to place the strainer on top of the metallic white, and I'm going to do a clean pour into the strainer, the center of the strainer. I pour the contents from the dirty cup around the edges of the strainer. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I was supposed to add the sparkly paint into the dirty cup, but I forgot, so I'm adding it now. The center of the pour was a little too green for my liking, so I decided to add some contrast with the blue and the orange and the glitter paint. This was the original outcome, and I did not like it. It was too solid. There wasn't anything interesting happening. The glitter paint and the yellow and the blue at the bottom seemed out of place. So I decided that I was going to add some ribbon pours into it to try to help it out. After tilting the painting and moving it around a little, it got better. So here is painting 6 of 30 and 30 paintings in 30 days. Hi everyone, I am LaJoy with the Color Office, and if you